Whoa, yeah, if I got back.
Yeah,
So I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, sometimes. Oh yes, I'm here. See, that's what they do.
They're chilling.
Yeah.
We got 4 tourists, half tourists and local, and 4 local. Okay, Marco, that's not just Alessandro's just statues.
Yeah, they might
And
think
animals.
I want them to.
Nah, that's all that's gonna happen, bro. I'm not too sure what these are. These little.
This is not black color.
I think it's yeah. My brother's saying it's a sleeping spot for them.
This is like we do not know. Like,
Here's more.
This.
Fishy.
Oh, here we go. They're given artificial burrows. Okay.
So, min of meer reg. Oh, ek was ook
Stop.
reg, ek sê sleeping spots, resting spots, breeding spots.